Hey, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Idris Esime. You probably heard of me. I do a wide range of medical procedures from PRP for joints to primary care and complicated diseases to cosmetic. So it's pretty all encompassing. And the purpose for this is very simple. So I wanted to have a holistic approach to medicine where you're able to care for the whole individual and in its entirety. There are individuals who otherwise feel great organically, but because of some either aesthetics inconvenience, they don't feel so great and their confidence is down. So we are here to provide everything that can be provided. Short of surgical procedures, we are pretty proficient in pretty much everything. So I have had a lot of patients asking questions about lifts, Restylane, and the rest of them. I use Restylane lift in particular because I'm very comfortable with it and I have the best result with it, and I can see it work instantaneously, and the patients usually are very elated by the results that they are witnessing as it's being applied. So today, I just wanted to have this experiment myself, because a lot of times, patients would ask you, how does it feel? Is it gonna hurt? And the only answer you have is from the responses you had from previous patients and from what the literature says. What the literature says that it's not painful at all. Some say it's really painful. You have patients who winces and those who kind of cry. But in general, I don't think it is a very painful procedure. So today, I am going to inject myself with some Restylane. Sounds crazy, but it's a very, very expensive gel. But I think I'll take one for the team today. So we have our Restylane Lift. Just put it in the box and take that off. It comes with its own syringes, its own needles, but those needles are not as flexible as these needles, so I use those needles instead. Make sure it's well secure so that there's no explosion when it's being applied. All right, very well. So this is perhaps the most expensive serum that you could actually buy. It's very, very expensive. This can range anywhere between $500 and $1,200 depending on where you go. And here I'm wasting it. That is not cool. But there we go. So I am going to apply some alcohol to my arm, right? And I am going to have an injection, and entering it underneath the skin. And you can see it. You can see the bulge of it, and injecting it as you would. And that usually goes in the face, right? See the little bulge there? That's enough for me today. Okay, so normally you cannot really use that anymore. You gotta discard it. Virtually no pain, like a bee sting, and no blood, and you can see the elevation on my arm, and this is pretty much what it does in the face for parts of the face that necessitate that. So if you have any concerning questions at all, we are here for you. Our number is 352-404-5174, or you could always check us online. It's very easy. Doctor estimate, and a bunch of avenues will open. I hope that you enjoyed this semi-torture, self-inflicted. No, it wasn't torture at all. It was very pleasant. You have a wonderful rest of the day, and you take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, and remember, there's someone up above.